ọ sị na ọ bụrụ na ọ bụ onye Igbo na ọ kara idetain ya. Hey, ndị be anyị bịakwanụ nụrụ nke na-afịa n'ihu akwụkwọ n'obodo adịrọzikwanụ mma ka unu nụ ka otu nwoke si wee si UK wee napụta Naijiria. O bukwa moto burukwa otu onye ọrụ uwe ojii na ya bụ moto wee gbakwa iri ndị ọrụ uwe ojii efu isi mkpụrụ mmiri ahụ na-afụ ebe a n'ilo ebe fa nọ na checking point. Fa wee kwụsị moto anụnwa wee nakọrọ nwoke ya akwụkwọ niile dị na moto nene ọ bụ na ọ dị mma nalụ nwoke driving license ya. Nwoke asịzi anya nyezie ya driving license ebe ọ bụ na ọ nenechaga ife niile. Nwoke si ọnwụ na ọ ya nyekwa ya driving license ya nọrọ ebe a na-agwa ya na lọkụ o nwere bụ na ọ bụ onye nwa na ọ bụrụ na ọ bụ onye Igbo na oke editain ya ma kpọrụkwa ya jebe na steshọn fa. Hey, anyị akpọnụ nke a gịnị ekene na-efezikwa nku aka mma hapụkwa unu ka unu nene ife mere ebe anụnwa.
Sorry?
The vehicle came from America.
Came from UK. I'm the owner, yes.
You live there?
Yes.
You live in Akure or Ondo?
I live in Akure. Okay. Sorry?
I'll do better to me.
I don't have anything, girl. I don't have anything. If I have, I would have give you.
I just want to see you are very close. That's why we'll with another person or Igbo or other person. I'll just go out.
I don't get anything. That's why. If I get, I will give you now. Hey, can I have my driving license here? What can I do now?
Go and park. See that photo.
What can I do? I just park. You know, tell me what I do now, guy. No, check my driving license, check my documents. Say make I do it that thing now.
Yes, sir.
You are with my driving license now.
Go and park here. The way bill or invoice of all those items.
The way be of the invoice. Yeah, even if I park. Yeah? No, don't worry. Okay. The way be of
what
the.
You say she not do. Are you telling him to?
It's your officer like you. That's why I said you should not worry. That I will talk to you.
No, let him talk now.
All right. So the way bill.
Everybody can talk.
The way bill is not there. I have the custom paper there. Those load came with the car.
That's why I requested for the custom paper so that I can see maybe all those items was itemized and examined.
But is it supposed to be list one after the other, all those custom papers?
Yes. The items,
Really?
What are? I do check custom paper now.
Okay.
So if
Do your job properly. Oh. You have my driving license here. I'm recording you. Oh. To let you know, I'm recording you right now. So can I have my driving license? Check your paper and then let's go. Better.
Everything is intact. Why is it back?
Don't shout. Leave him. I'll go him on record. But I've already told you. You have my paper. My paper is correct. Everything is there. You are with my driving license. I haven't committed any. I haven't committed any offense.
Hello?
Okay.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Okay.
He
hasn't got to that level. He hasn't got to that level.
Asking where is the invoice?
Yeah, but which I did. But that's why, and I told you, I said this vehicle came. This vehicle came.
Even living, I know you are going on the vehicle. I was even trying to.
Okay. Okay, why do you? Okay.
Listen, I know she's money. Not our own. Don't you try to point here. So I want you to be dead with.
Based on what? It's not about his mate now. You are not my mate, of course, but it's not about that. Be professional. It's not about age. It's not about age. Can I have my driving license? My document is correct. What happened now? I'm from Akure. I will go back to Akure, sorry. But why does he have to hold my driving license? You know what this is? Can I have my driving license? It's not about money. Why does he have to hold my driving license? What can I do? Don't worry about that. I have everything on record now. Why are you doing this? I will need. Okay, what do they want me to do? So what are you saying now? It's not about that. Now, it's not about money now. It's not about money. Okay, officer. Okay, it's not about that. Yeah. Can we?
I have my own here.
Okay.
As your brother, I have your own camera. I have my own here.
Okay, so what have I done wrong? That's my. What have I done wrong now that I seize my license? What have I done that makes him not?
You don't even have any.
And so what have I done?
With the officer.
But why does he have to put my license?
Is it the driver?